How to put your cover photo on Facebook private. To put the cover photo privately, first of all, launch your Facebook application. Once you launch your Facebook application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, simply hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top, you will see your profile name. Hit on that. Now, if you go through your cover photo and hit on the three dots, there you'll not see any option to make it to private because this feature is not actually available in Facebook. If you don't want other people to see your cover photo, then you can simply remove it. This is the only way to make your Facebook cover photo private. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.